Okay, getting a bit of a sickener this thing here. I've opened it twice now, so off camera. Um, so I've tried 5 times on camera, but this was yesterday. Um, and I just fitted it the other day and opened it, no problem. So it's bugging me. By the way, this is Monday, 2:30. Well, 2:25 actually. So I'm gonna go get this thing open and get this out of my road. Uh, I am sick to death of this here. This should be opened, got out of my road, and moved on. You know, that type of thing. What's wrong now? I'm frustrated because this should have been gone. Right. Let's get this thing out of my road here. This, by the way, that's the cat in the background. I'm doing this here quickly because this should be just. I know I can open this now, and it's. I'm not going to be excited to open this here because I've opened it twice, and what would he do? The bottom ones or back ones are opened. I just haven't got enough tension. Not there. There you go. There you go. Lever lock opened. So there you go. It's opened. Now that's my third time opening it. So it's my first time opening it on camera. But third time opening it. So I'm glad to get that stupid thing out of my road. Just to prove. Right, I can prove that there's locked. I'll do it again just for a bit of a laugh. Because I can do this here nearly blindfolded now, so I can. Well, it feels as though I can do it. That's just being arrogant. I know, I'm sorry. That's just been too arrogant there. See if you can see this. Can you see this, can you? I can do this here. It's got on camera on it, but I should be fit to do this again. By the way, this here's locked, by the way, just in case anybody thinks it's not. I'm flying through this here because I'll be honest, I'm sick of it. I really am sick of it. I just wanted to just stay on, you know, that type of thing. It's coming there, it's coming, I can feel it's coming. Back ones are all opened. There you go, there you go. There you go. That's 2 times on camera. And no problem. You know, I'm sorry, but I'm not as happy as yesterday. This is just more to get this out of the road. Yesterday was the first time, so right. And that's my fourth time now in what? 25 hours, so right everybody. I'm gonna download this video. It took me a couple of minutes to open that there. It's 1:30 now and that's opened twice in 5 minutes. So everybody, thank you very much. I hopefully open better locks than this here. Easy peasy, this thing here. But the practice was in there in the first 11 days, and when I calmed down, it was simple. UK lockpickers, the wee short things seems to work with me well. But that doesn't say Andy Max will not work, because I will not take anything away from Andy Max. It's just I'm used to with shorter wires. I will probably go on to Andy Max at some stage. But anyway, right, that's enough gobbledygook. Oh, by the way, I'm just going to lock this here just to prove it's locked. There you go. Right, everybody, thank you very much. And thank you for seeing my third and fourth time open this here. First time on camera and my second time on camera. So, right, take care of yourselves, and thank you very much for tuning in. Right, have a great week, by the way. Bye bye.